Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll see how to make use of Rookie Clip the best possible way. So the last video I had uploaded was about 2 weeks ago, and since then there have been major upgrades. Okay, so for instance, I have added a few more tracks to the timeline for text and audio and images. So we timeline in the screen track, and let me just reduce the volume to 0 for both of them. Now, even if you see 0 here, I would recommend to slide it again just to make sure it is set as 0. And the new one more addition is transition. So let me just place the seeker to the, yeah, that's it. And select the first video and go to transition here. Now there are multiple options here. You can choose any one of them. I'll stick with block wipe and click on add. So transitions get added to the last of the video, to the end of the video. So that's how it was. Now, my other favorite is film burn. So let me show you that. See, this was so cool, right? Next up, let me add an image. So this is the image. If you select it, you will be able to resize it and crop it, do all of the styling that you could have done with a video. So increase the border radius. Let me resize it like this and add shadow. Let's do some cropping. For cropping, I would recommend you to make everything full screen like this and then crop for the best results. So for cropping, I'll just resize things and exit. So this is the cropped part. Now, if you want to uh, restore it back to its original dimensions, so just click on enter crop mode again and increase the resize box like this and it will come back. So that's about cropping. Now let's look at texts. Okay, so click on text here and I'll just add it. Just click on add. So the default value of any text is hello there. So that's what you get. If you want to edit it, just click on the text element in the timeline and just type anything. So I'll just type, this is Eiffel Tower. And if you want to resize it, you can do it like this, change the font. And if you want to move the text to the next line, just press enter or shift plus enter. Change the animation to any of your choice. I personally prefer scrambled text and particle burst. So let's hit play. This is cool, right? This is so cool. You can also add audio here as a background music thing to your video. Now I've added a camera video recording. This is a stock video. So let's click on move to 0 to seek it back to 0. And let me go to options and click on add move down effect. So you know what move down effect is, right? It just moves down to one corner of the screen like this. Now, one important thing that I want to share is, so if you want to add zoom after you have added a move down effect, okay, so it won't work as expected. So let me show you that. So it will come to the center of the screen. That's because the move down effect is it's an effect. It doesn't actually change the position of the video on the canvas. It just shows you that way. So I'm working on that. But currently, if you want a workaround, I would suggest you to split the video And for the next video, just select it and resize it, style it the way you want it to, and then add the zoom for the expected effect. So now if I play, it works as expected. So that's the thing. And I think I've covered everything. Yeah, one more thing is that sometimes you may have selected some other element, but when you're trying to resize things, it won't happen. So let me make it full screen for you to, for explaining better. So this is full screen now, right? Now if I select the screen element and I'm trying to resize, it's not happening. So you would be like, why is it not happening? Because you've selected the wrong element. So click on camera, and now if you resize, it will work. So just make sure you have selected the right element on the track. Yeah, I think that's it. These were the newly added features to the app, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you can make the best use of Fruity Clip. So thank you for watching.